glad to be here in Ellijay to cut this ribbon today. So I want to first of all thank the Gilmer County Chamber of Commerce for the opportunity to partner on this project. This is really a great opportunity for both of us. This is a terrific location right here along the Appalachian Highway, Highway 515. This charging station is the first DC fast charger in Gilmer County and also the first one along this highway. So that's really nice thing. So we have together with the Gilmer County Chamber have effectively extended the range for EV motorists and have made really travel between the metro communities and the North Georgia mountains possible. This is part of an infrastructure program that Georgia Power has entered into that is making charging your vehicle much easier no matter where in the state you are. And in addition to the infrastructure that we've put in, we also offer EV charger rebates for both business and residential customers, and we also have a special EV rate for customers. So as we move forward, we continue to see more opportunities like this, and we think the collaboration between between entities like us and the Gilmer Chamber is going to continue, and we'll see more of that. The future looks very bright. So I would like to turn this over now to Commissioner Echols. Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you. You know, EV drivers, they're a unique set of people, and they like water, they like clean air, they like apples, they like apple cider, and if you don't have one of these, they're not coming here. And so getting this charger on this highway is so important. And let me tell you what's so unique about this charger is that it's going to work all the time. And that's the advantage of partnering with a gold-plated company like Georgia Power, is because when they do things, they do it right. And I tell you, I regulate Georgia Power. I have a regulatory relationship with them. But I talk to my commissioner friends in other parts of the country, and they don't have the situation that I have. So I am really excited to be able to be here and do this ribbon cutting. I have 2 electric cars myself, a Nissan Leaf and a Kia Soul. Our family's been driving electric cars for 3 or 4 years now, and it is exasperating that we haven't been able to come up here, with these cars. I was with the German Consul General yesterday, the ambassador who has been in multiple countries for the as ambassador for Germany. And he gave me this book yesterday, and it is a German tour guide to experience renewable energy across Germany. And as you look through this book, you've got various tourist points throughout Germany that feature either renewable energy or electric cars or sustainable practices. And I'm telling you, my friends here at the Chamber of Commerce, that there is an untapped market that you need to be reaching into in Atlanta, Georgia, and getting these people up here. Because you have things that other parts of the state don't have. And I know you're used to this, right? You're used to these views and this, and the water and the streams and trees and the mountains. But other people, this is only something we get occasionally. So this group of people that drive these cars and really make a sacrifice to be able to drive them. It is, it's inconvenient to have an electric car. I have to plan. And by you having this charger here, you're going to go right on to that PlugShare app, and you're going to see people pull in here. I hope you come out of the building and greet them as they're here. And just like some of the chamber staff did today, they handed me some cabin rental brochures, one of which I went to on my honeymoon 33 years ago. But we won't go there. So these folks are going to be sitting here. They're going to need something to do. They'll go over to the Waffle House, maybe cross the street, maybe come inside and sit by your fire and have a cup of coffee, and give you a chance to tell them about some of the great opportunities that you have here in the mountains. So thank you so much for allowing me to be here, and just give a thumbs up to this great project. Thank you. Who's next?
Thank you, Commissioner Eccles. All I can really do is echo what has already been said. When electric vehicle stations started popping up around, and this was about 5 or 6 years ago, I happened to be having lunch with Ron Ingram from Georgia Power, and I said, what do we do to get one of those? And I don't know if Ron remembers that conversation, but 5 years later, and here we are. It was a great day for me when I got the call that Georgia Power, one of our already great partners, was looking for a station along 515 to extend Metro Atlanta and allow that traffic to come to the North Georgia mountains and feel comfortable in doing so. Because I can understand that it would be inconvenient not knowing where you're going to charge your vehicle. So it really goes to prove good things come to those who wait. Because we waited 5 years and we're so excited. And you hit the nail on the head about this being a perfect location, because we have already seen people coming in. I think the day it became active, Carla and I were in the office, and she came running upstairs and said, there's somebody charging. And it was like seeing Bigfoot for the first time. We ran out and just carried on a whole conversation, and said, why are you here? How did you know? And they came in and visited, and they were going out to one of the Apple houses. And so it was exactly what you said. And that's what we intend it to be, as a place for a whole new customer base for us and really all of our partners on 515. All of our great tourist attractions and locations, that we can now open ourselves up to a new market. And so we are thrilled. On behalf of the board of directors, our chairs, all of our local leadership here in Gilmer County and East Ellijay, I'm thrilled that we have representatives here from East Ellijay. They've been great partners in helping us get through this. MAC is always great and making sure everything that needs to be done is done quickly. So just on behalf of this entire community, and especially this organization, thank you for the investment here in us and allowing us to be a great partner. So thank you.